Welcome to today's tutorial. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add chats to your favorites list on WhatsApp. WhatsApp's latest update has introduced a fantastic feature that lets you prioritize your most important contacts and groups, making it easier than ever to stay connected. Whether it's family, close friends, or essential group chats, adding them to your favorites keeps them right at your fingertips. Here's how you can add a chat to your favorites list in a few simple steps. 1. Open WhatsApp. Start by opening the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. 2. Select the chat. Scroll through your chats to find the conversation you want to add to your favorites. This could be an individual contact or a group chat. 3. Tap and hold. Once you've found the chat, tap and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu of options. 4. Add to favorites. In the menu that appears, look for the Add to Favorites option. It might also appear as a heart icon. Tap on this option. That's it. The chat is now added to your favorites list. You can repeat these steps for all the contacts and groups you want to prioritize. But where do you find your favorites list? WhatsApp has made it super easy to access. To find your favorite chats, simply scroll to the top of your chats list, where you'll see all your favorite contacts and groups conveniently listed. Alternatively, in some versions, you can find a favorites filter within the Chats tab, allowing you to view only your favorite contacts. Adding contacts to your favorites list ensures that you never miss important messages from those who matter most. This feature not only saves you time, but also helps you stay organized and efficient in your communications. So, take a moment to set up your favorites list and enjoy a streamlined WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.